Hello, welcome to the Experimenting with Science channel. Today's topic is what is the main function of the skeleton system and how does the skeleton provide support and protection to the body? Our experiment today is on the skeleton model. The materials needed are a skeleton model kit and rivet fasteners. Now I'm taking out our parts. First, I want to introduce you to the long and short parts of the rivet. The short part of the rivet, the long part of the rivet. Let's place our skeleton with the long part of the rivet on the bottom. Then, take a piece of our skeleton and secure it with the short part. Next, let's place the remaining part of our arm in the same way, with the long piece at the bottom, and secure it with the short part of the rivet. Now it's time for the legs. By moving the skeleton model, you can examine the positions and movements of the bones.